Welcome friends. In this tutorial, we will be learning about how to clean a project. It is very important to clean our project after we are done with that. Here in this work project, we have this variable.c file. We will delete this file. It will ask us to delete the variable.c from the file system. Press OK. Then go to Project, select Clean, select Clean All Projects and click OK. It will clear all the debug and binaries created while working with that project, and now it gives us a clean, fair and nice workspace. To work on a different file. Thank you.